Here's a tip on how you can create some randomness with the queue scheduler. So here I have a setup with a row of queues containing different medias. And under it, I have a row containing different colors. And under that, I have a row with transformations on the input geometry. So what I can do now is to add a scheduler, and switch on the automation, and set the mode to beats, so that everything will sync with the current BPM. And set the interval to 1, meaning every beat. And let's set the target to a range of queues. And let's set the range from row 1 to 1 and from column 1 to 6, which means only my first row here. And let's set the mode to random. And then let's duplicate this scheduler and change the target to only my second row in this new one. And then let's duplicate that and set this one to only the third row. And so, like that, I have 3 schedulers that automate 3 different sets of queues at random but synchronized.